Hey guys, it's Don from MobileTechTalk. We are here at MWC 2018. We are at the Huawei booth right now, currently checking out the Matebook X Pro. So as you can guess by the name, this is Huawei's competitor to the MacBook Pro, and they are going hard. So, quick tour around the device. We have a Type-C, fully fledged, and a Thunderbolt 3 port with a headphone jack. On this side, we have a USB Type-A slot. Opening it up, we have something that will be very familiar to anyone that has even seen a new MacBook Pro, a very flat keyboard and a monstrously large trackpad. Something that MacBook users also have, slightly different implementation, is the fingerprint scanner in the power button. Now, something that we haven't seen at all before is the pretty ingenious way that Huawei is hiding the webcam on this. So there will be B-roll across this right now, but in the bezels of the display, as you can see, they are very slim. There's nowhere to put the webcam. Even on the bottom where Dell usually puts theirs, there's nowhere to put it. So where in between the F6 and F7 keys, there's a nice little pop-up, and that's the webcam. Now, I can't say if it's any good or not. This is pretty terrible lighting, as you can see, but I have a horrible feeling it's going to suffer the same problem as what the Dells did, which is looking right up your nostrils, and that's not nice. No one really wants to see that. Something that is really worth shouting about, at least Huawei shouting about it, is the audio on this. So there's 4 speakers. They're apparently tuned by Harman Kardon, which, sure, why not? We don't know how much weight that carries anymore, but hey, they're really going for it. Inside we have an 8th gen Core i5 or Core i7. Those are 4 cores, 4 threads, or 4 cores and 8 threads. And as you can see on the bottom with the little GeForce sticker, there is a dedicated GeForce MX150 GPU in here. So going back inside, wow, hard to open. This screen is a 13.9 inch screen, 3000 by 2000 resolution, so obviously by those numbers it's a 3:2 screen, and it is an insane 91% screen to body ratio. At least that's what Huawei is claiming. So again, it looks really nice. Obviously it's the IPS display on here is just gorgeous, and I don't know why I'm surprised. Huawei has some amazing displays. Why wouldn't their laptops? Now, one thing I'm not too happy with, at least on this quick cursory glance, the keyboard is very shallow. Not quite MacBook Butterfly level, but it's not something that I think I could use on a daily basis, at least not without some serious learning time. Anyway, we don't know when this is coming out, but we do have prices. The i5 with 8 gigs of RAM starts at €1,499. Then that jumps up to $1,699 if you want to upgrade that i5 to an i7, or if you want to go hard or go home, the €1,899 option is an i7, 16 gigs of RAM, and that GPU. Anyway guys, I've been Dom from MobileTechTalk. This has been our quick look at the Matebook X Pro at the Huawei booth at MWC 2016. I'll see you in the next video.